Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is PernellMarie, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section. So today I am slaying my wig using Bold Hold hair products, Bold Hold lace products, and what you're currently seeing me do is prepping for my unit install. I have already shampooed and blow dried my hair, deep conditioned and everything, oiled my scalp, and I'm just currently making me some straight back braids. They don't have to be too big, they don't have to be too small. You just want to make sure that they're nice and flat and they're going away from the hairline. Once I'm done braiding my hair, I take the ends and I like to just sew them up. That way they're not sticking out the back of your wig. You know, make sure that's nice and tight in the back. Using a little bit of alcohol to clean my hairline, keep that oil from making my lace lift. I use a little bit of Got To Be, and I just kind of knock away those little flyaways, some of my baby hair, try to comb it back, make sure it's nice and slick. As far as this cap, you want to use a cap that matches your skin complexion. If you can't find one that matches your complexion, use a light cap and gel that bad boy down. Make sure it's dry. Make sure you cut around the ear, stick your ear through there. That way it's laying nice and flat and you don't have to worry about it sticking up around the temple when you get ready to lay your wig down. So once I'm done with that, I like to go ahead and cut the excess off, and I use a little bit of the Got To Be freeze spray in my blow dryer just to get like some of those edges laid down even tighter, because you want it to be looking like skin once you've got your cap on. Spray, blow, cut off the little excess as you go. And you want to make sure, like I said, it's matching. If it's not matching perfectly, this is the time that you want to go ahead and get you some powdered makeup that is matching to your skin and get ready to use it. Like I said, cut off the excess. The cap part that's in the back, you want to sew that down to your braids so that way that's not lifting up under your cap either, under your wig unit, either. Blow it out, make sure it's done, take a look at it with your wig on there and see if it's looking nice and sleek. If it's not, like I said, throw a little makeup on there, little makeup. Make sure it's got a nice little blend. Now look at that blend, yes. So now you're gonna see me use this product right here, and this is the skin protectant. You wanna put that on after you've used your alcohol, and then here we go with the glue. One thing about this glue, you don't wanna use a whole lot, you wanna use a little goes a long way. You wanna mush it into your cap. Make sure that it's completely clear before you start applying it. I like to use like maybe 2 or 3 coats of it. Get one side down, get the next side down, and if you have like any hairs that kind of, any part of the lace that kind of comes up, you want to just use a little bit of glue up underneath there. Use your blow dryer, dry it in there, make sure it's laying. Like I said, if you need to go ahead and fix that little side, that little part around your ear, go ahead and do that. Put a little bit of glue on there, make sure it's clear, blow dry it in, make sure everything is all together. I like to clean up around there, make sure my lace is sewed down in the back. Make sure that hairline is looking right. And I like to use a little foam around my hairline, and you can lay it down if you like to with a scarf or something. I like to use a little bit of leave-in in there. Boom. Now this is what it looks like, girl, after I done laid it down, got my makeup on. That's with a little filter action, little baby hair action. Looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe.